These are life-changing skincare tips I have learned from different cultures around the world. In Japan, people start the day by drinking warm water and lemon first thing in the morning. This hydrates the body from within and flushes out toxins from your skin, leading to clear glowing skin. So if you don't have a glowing skin, incorporate this into your daily skincare routine. In South Korea, achieving that glass glowing skin you've seen all around the internet is not about applying expensive skincare product on your skin. Yes, guys. Sleep is critical. What they do is they practice sleeping 7 to 9 hours a day, and they do skin fasting once in a week to detox the skin from topical skincare product, and they assume these things we apply on our skin can be harmful sometimes. So why not try it out? Maybe, just maybe. What I learned from Bhutan is people practice slow living. They are very mindful of the people they associate with, and they solely rely on constant meditation. Mindful lifestyle is core part of health and well-being. They prioritize mental health, which reflects on their skin. There is a trend right now in Australia, and that is minimal makeup. People are embracing natural beauty. Less is always more. They believe this helps to avoid unnecessary skincare concern. In Finland and Japan, saunas and hot springs are part of their daily lives. The heat from these activities helps to open pores, release toxins, improves blood circulation, thereby revealing a clear, glowing skin. Mediterranean people emphasize on eating whole food such as fruits, nuts, olive oil, vegetables. This diet is rich in healthy fat and antioxidants that nourishes, replenishes, and hydrates your skin. What I learned from my Indian friends is that they follow an Ayurvedic diet, which emphasizes on balancing the body through food, such as turmeric, ginger, and green leafy vegetables. And in Pacific Ocean and other islands, people indulge in a lot of physical activities like swimming, walking, running, hiking, staying close to nature. This improves your complexion, your health, and overall well-being. Please spend 30 minutes a day in nature. In South Africa, Asia, Kenya, and India, people wear loose clothing to protect themselves from direct sun exposure. They also use products like shea butter, coconut oil to moisturize their skin to protect themselves from sun damage. Although these products are not as effective as our topical skincare products, but it still works somehow. They avoid sun exposure when it is at its peak. Okay, I think I gotta go. I admire French women a lot. They have this minimalistic approach to skincare, yet so beautiful. A lot of French women uses just water to wash their face first thing in the morning. According to my French friends, this is done to avoid stripping off your skin natural oil. In China, people believe in facial massage. They use their hands or facial massage tools such as gua sha or jade roller. This helps to improve blood circulation, lift and firm the skin, reduce puffiness, which reverses aging at the end of the day. These small sustainable lifestyle changes that I have learned from different cultures has helped to change my skin and overall well-being. You do not need fancy products to have that glowy radiant skin you've always dreamed of. Little changes is all that matters. And I hope these tips and tricks will help to transform your skin. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!